Looking good.
Не понял.
Say again, please.
Да, конечно. Визуально.
Visual monitoring.
Наблюдаем.
$150 feet now from the station's docking port on the pier's docking compartment.
Дальность 40, скорость соответствует.
It's 40, range.
With relative motion to each other being identical, the two spacecraft will dock traveling a little more than 17,000 miles per hour, about 5 miles per second.
Мишень также собрана. Лево полградуса вниз.
1 degree to the left, 1.5 degree down is the position of the crosshairs collected otherwise. How do you observe the target? Clearly? Yes, clearly. And the target is collected at this time in the center, and the range is as supposed to be. Okay, copy.
110 feet away, the docking target that they are referencing is right in the center of the crosshairs. So the vehicle is right on target with the docking port at the top center. But obviously the crosshairs are focusing on that docking target.
Checking course range, 30 meters range at this time. Issue the command. Issue work command. Copy.
Команда выдана.
The command is issued.
Включаю пересветку.
Inside 100 feet.
Just in case I'm putting in a C mode. Just monitor the further movement, and then you can deactivate it. Yes. Yes, we have out, and we have an instruction. And there is a movement 10 degrees by roll. Visually, yes, observing.
65 feet high above the Caribbean, a beautiful view from 262 miles up.
Target in the center. Now target is moving to the left 2 degrees. Copy. Now the roll is getting within the norm. Copy. There is still a few degrees clockwise.
Closing rate is
right at
about a tenth of a foot per second.
Copy.
Inside 40 feet.
Сближение устойчивое.
Rendezvous steady. Copy.
$25 feet. 5 meters now, that's about 16 feet.
Okay, we are monitoring nominal rendezvous, completely nominal. Yes, we'll be watching for contact. Yes, expecting contact. We have contact.
And we have contact at 4:22 p.m. Central Time as the International Space Station and the Progress spacecraft high above the Atlantic Ocean, east of Florida, northeast of the Caribbean islands.
To you.
A very smooth, not only approach and docking, but obviously launch as well the entire day. Followed the launch to docking timeline almost perfectly, with launch occurring at 10:23 this morning and docking at 4:22 this afternoon, U.S. Central Time. A 5-hour, 59-minute flight from launch to docking of the 54 Progress vehicle, delivering just under 5,700 pounds of cargo, or 2.8 tons of supplies and equipment, propellant, oxygen, and water to the 6 crew members aboard the International Space Station.
On our go, we will be deactivating Toro. Yes, I'm ready for all of that. On your go.
The mass of the orbiting complex now just under 912,000 pounds, or 413,000 kilograms. We will await confirmation of closing of the hooks and latches to secure the 54 Progress to the Piers docking compartments, Earth-facing or nadir port. At docking, the station's attitude control system was commanded to free drift to ensure that there are no movements of the station itself while all the perturbations settle out between the Progress and the station.
Mission control space to ground 1. Recording should be completed, right, on laptop? Shall we stop recording? Yes, you can do that. Okay, I stopped the recording.
In progress now is the retraction of the docking probe, the initial contact point between the Progress spacecraft and the International Space Station's docking port. Once that is fully retracted, the commands will be issued for the closing of the hooks and latches that will secure 54 Progress to the Piers docking compartment.
On MPEG, go ahead.
Space station is moved into an orbital sunset as it tracks northeasterly across the Atlantic Ocean. The next coastal crossing, border crossing, will be England, the southern tip of Great Britain, or Scotland, before heading out across Great Britain and the European nations, and then Russia.
Thank you.
We have confirmation that the hooks are driving to the closed position. The last major activity in securing Progress to its new home at the docking port of the Piers docking compartment of the International Space Station's Russian segment. And at 4:30 p.m. Central Time, we have confirmation that the hooks are completely closed. Progress 54 is secured to its docking port aboard the International Space Station. The Progress delivering just under 5,700 pounds of cargo, or 2.8 tons of cargo, to the International Space Station. That includes 2,897 pounds of spare parts, experiment hardware, and other supplies, 1,764 pounds of propellant, 926 pounds of water, and 110 pounds of oxygen. The Progress's hatch will remain closed throughout the crew's sleep period this evening, and anticipated that hatch will be opened Thursday morning, beginning about 6 a.m. Central Time.